There's a kind of love that no one talks about, the kind that does not end in forever, the kind that does not beg to be held together, but the kind that learns to let go. We talk about love as if it is always about holding on, but sometimes love is knowing when to stop trying to fix what is not broken, what is just mismatched. Love is choosing to leave not because you stopped loving them, but because you start loving them better. You see, we grow up believing that staying means loyalty, that to walk away is to fail. But real love is not always about staying. Sometimes real love says, I could keep you, but I'd be holding you back. And that's one of the most hardest truths you'll ever whisper to yourself. They did not hurt you, did not fall out of love, but slowly and gently, you both became versions of yourselves that the other no longer recognized. The more you tried to shrink or stretch to fit, the more it started to feel like you were losing parts of yourself. So you sat in silence in one night, and you knew that staying would be comfortable, but it would be dishonest. You knew that if you really loved them, you'd set them free, to find someone who fits the shape of their soul without needing to mold it. So you did the hardest thing love ever asked of us. You let go, not because you stopped caring, but because caring meant stepping back. You did not slam the door, you did not curse the timing, you did not turn love into blame. You walked away with grace, not in anger, not in bitterness, but with quiet, aching gratitude. Gratitude for the warmth you shared, for the nights when words weren't needed, and the mornings when their presence felt like home. You carried all of that in your silence, in your choice to release what you wanted to hold on to. Because sometimes loving someone means you don't get to keep them. You honored what you had and you let it go without turning it into something ugly. And maybe that's the rarest kind of love. The kind that does not need to possess to prove it was real. They may never know how deeply you loved them, how much it cost you to say goodbye, but you'll know, and one day, when the weight has softened, I will be enough. And maybe they'll never understand why you left. Maybe you'll never get to explain that it was not about them not being enough, but about knowing they deserve someone who did not have to try so hard to stay. Loving them meant seeing them fully, wanting their presence more than your comfort. And sometimes that kind of love, the love that walks away, is the most selfless thing you'll ever do. So if you ever had to leave someone for their sake, know this: you did not fail them, you honored them. You loved them in the bravest way possible. You let them go so they could find the life meant for them. And maybe you'll find yours too. Thank you. See you in the next one. Until then, stay gentle to yourself and stay gentle to the world. Peace.